press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello students, how are you all? Hope all are you fine and safe in your home. In today's class, we are going to learn the new poem of your Class 3 English. That is, The Balloon Man. What is the name of your poem? That is, The Balloon Man. And this poem is written by Rose Felmon. Who is the poet of this poem? That is Rose Felmon. Okay, and this is the poem is about balloons and balloon man. Okay, let's start this poem. Before going to start this lesson, you have to open page number 43. Okay, first I will read it, then I will explain it. When I am reading, please go through it. Okay, Unit 5. Does a balloon man visit your market? Let's see what this balloon man brings with him. The balloon man, he always comes on market day and holds balloons, a lovely bunch, and in the market square he stays, and never seems to think of lunch. They are red and purple, blue and green. And when it is sunny day, the cars and people get between, you see them shining far away. And some are big and some are small, all tied together with a string, and if there is a wind at all, they tug and tug like anything. Someday, perhaps, he will let them go and we shall see them sailing high and stand and watch them from below. They would look pretty in the sky. Rose Felmon. Okay, as I told earlier, this is a poem about balloons and balloon man. Okay, children, in our childhood, like in your age, when we go to the fair or festivals like that, we will see these balloons and balloon man. And balloons are very attractive for children, right? Yes, we are telling to our mom that please bring one balloon for me. Please bring one balloon for me. So, there is no need for other things. I want a balloon only. Like this, we will tell to our mothers or fathers to bring a balloon. So, like this balloon is very attractive in our childhood. Right? Okay, this is also a poem about balloons and balloon man. Okay, just look at this. Does a balloon man visit your market? Yes. When we go to a fair or festivals like that, we can see a balloon man who is holding a bunch of balloons. Right? And let's see what this balloon man brings with him. Okay, usually what brings balloon man with him? Yes, those are balloons only. Without balloons, how can he call it as balloon man? Right? So, he will bring bunch of balloons. And also, there are some balloons which are not as large. Yes, they are in his pocket. Right? They are not glued. Okay, the balloon man, he always comes on market days and holds balloons, a lovely bunch. Okay, here he refers to balloon man. He always comes on market days and holds balloons, a lovely bunch. Yes, balloon man is one who always comes to the market and holds balloons. Yes, he holds balloons, a lovely bunch. Lovely means what? Beautiful. Bunch means what? Group of balloons is called as bunch. Okay? Bunch means what? Group. So, there are so many balloons in his hands. He was holding so many balloons. So, those are called as bunch. So, you can hear that bunch of grapes, right? Bunch of oranges like that. you can heard the bunch means what? Group. Okay, like this. That balloon man who holds balloons in a bunch. So bunch means what? Group of balloons. So there are so many balloons in his hands. And in the market square he stays and never seems to think of lunch. So he is staying the market square, like the space where market is hold. In that space only the balloon man will stays by holding a bunch of balloons and never seems to think of lunch. So we know that in the afternoon we will have lunch, but as I know that till now this balloon man doesn't have his lunch, because all day he was standing there only and selling that balloons. Right? All the day he was staying there only in the market square. Square means it is a geometrical shape in this. Okay, this is the shape of the square. So here market is compared to the square. In this place, this balloon man stays and holds a bunch of balloons which are very lovely, which are very beautiful, because so many colors of balloons are there in that bunch. And we think that the poet was telling that and never seems to think of lunch. So he would never think about lunch, because all the day he was selling balloons only. So he didn't have time to have lunch, or he didn't think about lunch. Okay, the poet is telling to us. So ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪ್ಯಾರಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? He always comes on market days and holds balloons a lovely bunch. ಇಲ್ಲಿ he means what? ಅವನು ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾರು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ balloon man ಅಂದರೆ ಬಲೂನ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯ. ಅವನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಜಾತ್ರೆ ಆಗಿರಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಹಬ್ಬಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಡೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಂತೆ ಇರೋ ಪತ್ರ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಆ ಒಂದು ಲವ್ಲಿ ಬಂಚ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ತುಂಬ ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬಲೂನ್ಗಳ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಗುಂಪನ್ನು ಗುಂಪು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಗೊಂಚಲು ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಗೊಂಚಲನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಅವನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಸಂತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಜಾತ್ರೆ ನಡೆಯೋ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಹಿ ಸ್ಟೇಸ್, ಅವನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆವರ್ ಸೀಮ್ ಟು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಂಚ್. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನೋಡಿರೋ ಥರ ಅವನು ತನ್ನ ಊಟದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅವನು ದಿನ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಬಲೂನ್ಸನ್ನು ಅವನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಮಾರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಮಾರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ಅವನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬ್ಯುಸಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ನನಗೆ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಟೈಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಯೋಚನೆ ಕೂಡ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅವನು ದಿನ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಬಲೂನ್ಸನ್ನು ಅವನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಪೋಯೆಟ್ಟು ಆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಬಲೂನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನನ್ನು ನಮಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಾ? ಬಲೂನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಜಾತ್ರೆ ಇರಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಸಂತೆಗಳಿರಲಿ ಆವಾಗ ಬಂದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಬಲೂನ್ಸನ್ನು ಅವನು ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅವನು ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. They are red and purple, blue and green, and when it is a sunny day, the carts and people get between. You see them shining far away. So here the poet is describing the colors of the balloons. So they are red and purple. So the balloons are different in color. So we can see balloons in red color, pink color, and saffron color. Next what? Purple color, blue color, green color. So there are so many colors in the balloons. Here the poet says that we can see they are red and purple in color. So the balloon man holds balloons lovely bunch, and that bunch contains a lovely balloons which are in red and purple color. blue and green, and also not only red and purple, there are blue color is there, green color balloon also is there. And when it is a sunny day, when the sunny day means what? It's a Sunday, means in summer season, the day is in summer season, we can call it as sunny day. So there is a very hot environment is there. A day in a summer season, a day in summer. So in sunny day, the sun is very bright, he is giving a lot of light and temperature. So in that day, what happens? The cars and people get between, you see them shining far away, and it is a market or a fair. So in that place, there are so many people are there, there are so many carts are there. Cart means what? It is a vehicle, it is an open vehicle to carry the loads, and it is pulled by horse. So it is pulled by horse, so that is called as cart. Okay, so in that fair, there are so many people are there are so many carts are there. And in a sunny day, when the sun is away, the sun is very bright, or a day in the summer, in that day, that balloon man is staying in that market where all the people and carts are gathering there. So in that place, balloons, what? You see them shining far away. So in that place, so there is a very crowded place actually. Market is also very crowded place. In that place, there are so many carts and people are there. In that place, in between them, there is a balloon man holding a bunch of lovely balloons. So there is a balloon man who is holding a lovely balloon bunch. So here the balloons are different colors, that is red, purple, green and blue. So these 4 colors of balloons will gather and look like shining. So for that sunlight, when fall it on that balloons, they will shining. In that crowdy area, the balloons will shining. So like this, the poet describes the balloons. You see them shining far away. So you can see the balloon from far away place also, because they are shining in that place. If the balloon man is very far away from us, then also we can see the balloons which are holding by that balloon man, because those are very lovely, those are very beautiful, and those are shining because of sunlight. So it is a sunny day. Okay, understood this? ಕವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಪೋಯೆಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಬಲೂನಿನ ಬಂಚಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೆಂಪು ಬಣ್ಣ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಪರ್ಪಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನೇರಳೆ ಬಣ್ಣ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಬ್ಲೂ ನೀಲಿ ಬಣ್ಣ, ಮತ್ತು ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಹಸಿರು ಬಣ್ಣ. ಸೊ ಹೀಗೆ ಒಂದು 4 ಕಲರಿಂದ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬಲೂನಿನ ಒಂದು ಬಂಚು ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸನ್ನಿ ಡೇ, ಒಂದು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಜಾತ್ರೆ ಇರೋದು ಒಂದು ಸನ್ನಿ ಡೇ, ಒಂದು ಬಿಸಿಲಿನ ದಿನ, ಅಂದರೆ ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಸೀಸನ್, ಬೇಸಿಗೆಗಾಲದ ಒಂದು ಬಿಸಿಲಿನ ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಜಾತ್ರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ದ ಕಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್, ಯು ಸಿ ದೆಮ್ ಶೈನಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅವೇ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ತುಂಬ ಒಂದು ಎತ್ತಿನ ಗಾಡಿಗಳು ಬಂದಿರ್ತವೆ, ಕುದುರೆ ಗಾಡಿಗಳು ಬಂದಿರ್ತವೆ, ಮತ್ತು ತುಂಬ ಜನಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಓಡಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಜನಸಮೂಹವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರದೇಶ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆ ಒಂದು ಬಲೂನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಸಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತಿದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೂ ಆ ಒಂದು ಬಲೂನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ನ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, ಆ ಒಂದು ಬಲೂನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅವು ಹೊಳಿತಾ ಇರ್ತವೆ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಶೈನಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸನ್ಲೈಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಬಲೂನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ದೂರ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಕೂಡ, ನೀವು ಅವರಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ದೂರ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಕೂಡ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಬಿಸಿಲಿಗೆ ಅವು ಹೊಳಿತಾ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? ಜಾತ್ರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕ್ರೌಡ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಜನಸಮೂಹ, ಗದ್ದಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಜನಗಳು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕಾರ್ಟ್, ಎತ್ತಿನ ಗಾಡಿ, ಕುದುರೆ ಗಾಡಿಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ಓಡಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತವೆ. ಅಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬಲೂನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನು ಮಧ್ಯೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಆಗ ಆ ಒಂದು ಬಿಸಿಲಿನ ದಿನ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅವತ್ತು ಏನಾಗ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಬಲೂನ್ಗಳು ಶೈನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೊಳಿತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಶೈನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೊಳಿತಾ ಇದ್ವು ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವೆಷ್ಟೇ ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಬಹುದಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಪೋಯೆಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ ಇದು? ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾ. And some are big and some are small, all tied together with a string. And if there is a wind at all, they tug and tug like anything. So in the third para, look at the third para. And some are big and some are small. So in that bunch of balloons, there are so many colors of balloons are there, and also there are some small and there are some big balloons are there. Do you know there are so many types of balloons are there in that bunch, and that bunch contains some small balloons and also some big balloons. So when you blew with a large force, you can have a big balloon, but when you blew air to that balloon with a low force, then you can see a small balloon. So in that bunch there are so many large and small and colored balloons are there. And next, what? All tied together with a string. String means what? A thread like structure. String is a thread. So from that thread there are so many balloons are tied. So in that string, some small, some large balloons and colored balloons all are tied in that string. String means what? Thread. I will write here. String means thread. Okay, all balloons are tied from the string. So there are so many large balloons and so many small balloons, and also those are different types of colors like red, purple, blue and green, and they are also shining in a sunny day. Okay, all tied together with a string, and if there is a wind at all, they tug and tug like anything. Okay, in that moment when a wind came, it is a very fast wind came, then what happened? That balloon bunch is tug like anything. Tug means what? Pull hard. So tug means pull hard. Okay, tug means what? Pull hard. Okay, balloons are very lightweight in size. They can flew, alva. So ವೆನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಜೋರಾದ ಗಾಳಿ ಬೀಸುತ್ತೋ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಲೂನ್ಗಳು ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ಹಾರಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತವೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಅದನ್ನ ಅವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ದಿ ಟಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಅವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ, ಫುಲ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್. ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ಹೀಗೆ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಿ ಬಲೂನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಆ ಫೋರ್ಸಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋಷ್ಟು ಪವರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಕೆಳಗಿಳಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಅವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ, ಫುಲ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಎಳ್ಕೊಂಡವು ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತವೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಗಾಳಿ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಬಂದಾಗ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾ? ಆ ಒಂದು ಬಲೂನಿನ ಬಂಚಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬಲೂನ್ ಇದ್ವು, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಏನಿದ್ವು ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಬಲೂನ್ಗಳು ಇದ್ವು, ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬಲೂನ್ಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಇದ್ವು. ಆಲ್ ಟೈಡ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ವಿತ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಬಲೂನ್ಗಳು ಏನು ಒಂದು ದಾರದಿಂದ ಕಟ್ಟಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು. ಆ ಒಂದು ಬಂಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಲೂನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಟೈಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ದಾರದಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಬಲೂನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಅಥವಾ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬಲೂನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಲರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬಲೂನ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗಿನ ದಾರದಿಂದ ಕಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವಿಂಡ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದೆ ಟಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಹೀಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಗಾಳಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬೀಸ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಬಲೂನಿನ ಗುಂಪು ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಹಾರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಫ್ಲೈ ಅವೇ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೆ ಟಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಅವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ನಾವು ಈಗ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಅವು ತಪ್ಪಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾ? ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾ. Someday, perhaps, he will let them go and we shall see them sailing high. and stand and watch them from below, they would look pretty in the sky. Okay, the poet telling us that someday that balloon man will let that balloon go. So he will lose his hand. Do you understand? He didn't hold that balloons, he will lose his hand. So from that the balloons will fly on upper side and we shall see them sailing high. Sailing means what? Here actually sailing means in water like a river or ocean, we will use the word sailing, but here also they will use word sailing. Sailing means what? Here fly away. Okay, when someday the balloon man will lose his hand and that balloon bunch is flied away, that is sailing high, and stand and watch them from below, they would they would look pretty in the sky. So when they are flying high in the sky, we will watch them, we will watch that balloons from the below, because we are in earth, we can't skip like that balloons, right? So we can only see those balloons with our eyes in our ground only, and they would look pretty in the sky when they are flying in the sky. When they are sailing in the sky, they look very pretty because they are very colored. Different types of colors are there. There are so many small balloons are there. There are so many large balloons are there. So all these balloons are gathered, and when they are flying in the blue sky, then we will see that as very pretty. Pretty means what? Beautiful. Okay, so we can see a very beautiful balloon bunch in the sky when that balloon man leaves his hand. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಪ್ಯಾರದಲ್ಲಿ, ಯಾವತ್ತಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಈ ಒಂದು ಬಲೂನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ತನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಲೂನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಅವನು ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಯಾವತ್ತಾದರೂ ಒಂದಿನ ಅವನು ಆ ಒಂದು ಬಲೂನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟಾಗ ಗಾಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವು ತೇಲ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತವೆ. ಆ ಬಲೂನ್ಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತವೆ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ತುಂಬ ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬಲೂನ್ ಗುಂಪನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಪೋಯೆಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಒಂದು ನೀಲಿ ಆಕಾಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬಲೂನ್ಗಳು ತುಂಬ ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಪೋಯೆಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾ? ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಸಮ್ ನ್ಯೂ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. So first one is bunch. Bunch is also right here, that is group, and square is a geometrical shape. Geometrical shape. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಚೌಕ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಚೌಕ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ sunny is a day in summer is called sunny day, where sunlight is very brighten. And tug means what? Pull hard. So tug means pull hard. Okay, have you understood this poem? Please read it twice when your exams are near, and especially you have to read twice in a day in your quarantine days, so that you can you can memorize properly, and you have to use these words in your day-to-day life, so that you can understand the meaning of these words. Understood this? Okay. Hope you understood this poem. Thank you.